just realized I've built walls a mile high to protect my heart, but now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I'd unravel. Brick by brick, I built these walls. Now I know that I am strong. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them down. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Just watch me march towards the battle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle.
I'm gonna tear down this castle.
Watch me march. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? I criticized myself for trusting lies. I know I can't hide, 'cause then I'd be alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I'd unravel. Brick by brick, I built these walls. Now I know that I'm enough. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them down. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Just watch me march towards the battle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle.
I'm gonna tear down this castle.
Watch me march. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love?
Welcome back.
Break your heart.
In today's video we are ploughing again. This time we obviously have the same tractor, the Case Maxxum 150, our 4-furrow Cavernland reversible plough, and this time we do have the press on because we learnt our lesson not using it the last day. So currently I am ploughing last year's BEET field, so you would have seen I ploughed this with the demo Case Maxxum 150 last year. Then I did all the cultivations with our old John Deere, our John Deere 6620, and then I did make a video of Bailey sowing it. The footage from in here was actually in the dark, so if you go back to that video you'll see there was a bit of BEET sowing in the dark, and that was this field. Then we did nothing, no YouTube of it all the way. Actually, it was in the crop walk, but I don't know if you'd count that. But then the next time you guys would have seen it would have been when we were lifting it. Only about, well, actually it is quite a while ago now. Yeah, like it's April now, and we were lifting BEET in, pretty sure it was November. So this is quite a while ago since you last saw this field. So that's the background of it really. And also before I ploughed this last year, we had the demo case and I spread dung on it as well. So if you go back, it's the same field again. What other videos have I made in this field? 2 years ago, harvest 2020 or 2021. Harvest 2021, Cullen's bailed round bales in here for us. So there's another video you can go and watch if you want to see this field again. And can't think of any other videos I've made in here. That's about it. But yeah, that's a bit of a rant. So yeah, we've got the press on. We learnt our lesson the other day. The press just does a lovely job on ploughed ground, and it makes it so much easier to cultivate after. So hence why it's behind the plough again. Today is the 8th of April, Saturday the 8th. We were spreading dung this morning, and then a hydraulic pipe went on the slurry door, so that put an end to our day, and then didn't really know what I was going to do and hooked up the plough, and here I am now. So yeah, I was meant to be spreading dung today. Got a bit of drone footage, didn't do any GoProing, but because it is Easter Saturday, there's no hydraulic places open at the minute. So it'll be Tuesday till we're back dung spreading, but you will have seen all that because I'm putting the dung spreading video out before this, even though technically it's going to be a bit weird, but you'll see the dung spreading video the Saturday before this, so it should all work out pretty well. The press does mean you have to pay a bit more attention on your ins and outs with the plough, but I find it is worth it because it does a lovely job on the ground, and really that's the main objective. So as always, if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comments, and I'll try my best to respond with a good answer. Can't guarantee a good answer, but we'll try. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. As I was saying in the last ploughing video, we have a lot of cool videos coming up, a load of different crops to be sown, and that means a lot of preparation has to be done, so there's going to be a lot of videos, hopefully, if it all goes to plan.
I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air.
hopefully you can see we are ploughing in some dung. So I got that spread 2 days ago now, so it's been sitting there and now we're ploughing it in. And this field is going into BEET this year, fodder BEET. So we're going to sow Jamming, which is the one we always sow. It is quite an old BEET. Not that old, 40 or 50 years I think is what Dad said, but we're going to try another variety as well this year. So we're going to have Jamming, which is the one we always do, which we've done for the past 5 or 6 years now, and we really like it because there's a good, I think it's 40 or 50% is above the ground, so when we're strip grazing sheep on it, they can really get pretty much all the BEET out of the ground, because just whatever way it works, the BEET, you'll see it when the sower comes, but the BEET is in ridges. So 40 or 50% of the BEET is above that ridge, but then when sheep come along they can stamp down around the edge of it and it reveals even more of it. So you're looking at, I'd say, nearly 80% of the BEET is easily accessible for the sheep, for the ewes. So quite like strip grazing BEET. It keeps the ewes off grassland, so it gives the grass a chance to grow for the spring, and it means they're not inside and we're not pumping meal and minerals into them, so it does work quite well. Hopefully there is a bit of drone footage at the start of this video, because I haven't put the drone up yet and I've gone through 3 different fields. So hopefully today will be different, but yesterday I was ploughing and we had fierce hardship with the plough trying to get it set right, because as you would have seen I put new points on the plough, so they were just really grabbing into the ground a lot more than before, and the plough was pulling itself away from the ploughing, and it's still kind of doing it now. I can see it in my top link, it's a little bit, it's not perfectly straight, but it's a lot better now than it was yesterday. It's amazing what a few little pieces of metal can do to a plough. We really could not understand how it was so bad. But that is probably a lot of the talking I will do in today's video. So if you did enjoy, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've any questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.